We are back with the Mega Value Bebird Earsight Plus Smart Ear Care Kit, and now also with the brand new Note 5 Pro. In both cases, what you will get for your money is actually insane, and the price points are getting even crazier with the current Black Friday deal alerts. Right now you can get this kit with a built-in HD camera so that you can actually see what you're doing as you clean for the lowest price ever. Same of course for the Note 5 that we will check out closer in this video. So don't miss out, be quick. The prices are insane, but the quantities are very limited. With this right here, you're getting Bebird's flexible tube design that can adapt to any curvature of your ear canal for maximum comfort, and you will get the real-time feedback, real-time visuals through the app. And with this you can go as far as literally look at your actual eardrum, and not to forget a variety of gentle silicone tips that are also stored in here, assure a safe and precise cleaning no matter the scenario. Different tips, different shapes, we even get tweezers, and you can use this for much more than just for your ear. You can get really creative. It's an all-in-one system with multiple ear tips and camera-guided precision tweezers for targeted wax removal, and it is positioned as an easy at-home ear check for the whole family. So especially if you've been curious about visual ear cleaners, or maybe you have struggled with the guesswork that come with traditional tools, you know, without cameras, well then right now I can offer you an intuitive, very simple, and most of all very affordable way to upgrade your ear cleaning routine while the Black Friday pricing is live. And by the way, you can check out our full review about the Earsight Plus right here in the cards. And now let's also check out the Note 5 and put it to the test, and let's find out if it's actually that good. New drip. Got the new drip from Bebird, the Earsight Plus and the Note 5 Pro. And by the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list the literally best prices for you. Insane price slashings going on, but very limited quantity, so be quick, don't miss out. Yeah, now let's check it out. So that's the package all wrapped up. So let me quickly remove all of that. Premium packaging as with the other one, as you can see, really nice with the best features on this side and this on the back. As you can see, next level hardware in here. It will slide out, and underneath this divider right here, that also includes more accessories as well as the cable for charging it. We have the actual device with the base. Now check this out. It's also neatly protected with these wraps, and we have the right there, the omnidirectional tweezer switch. This rubber part right there, when we take this off right there, carefully, by pressing this rubber part, we can articulate the tweezers very, very precisely. And with the silicone tip, it reveals the dual purpose, because this right here is also a nice comfortable scraper. USB-C for charging it. The base is really nice, and it also holds, in here it's a twist lock, by the way, it holds all the replacement tips, and that's it. Twist it together. Yeah, now let's test it for real. So done with the unboxing, and like with the Earsight Plus, you will need any smartphone, download the Bebird app, and the device will actually activate when you just pull this off. This will blink green, and then you can just click connect to the device Wi-Fi, click to connect, and we have the Note 5 right there. Easy as that. And now all we need to do is click on go, and we will switch to the camera right away. Now, as I said, you can use this for multiple inspection purposes. You can use this for just checking out your hair. You can even take a look inside of your nose, but I will spare you this. Well, this is especially made for ear canal examinations. So without further ado, we can just go in here, and as you can see, there is quite a bit of wax build up. And what I want to point out is the full HD 1080p camera resolution. So the resolution is absolutely amazing. You can see tons of details, and as you can see, we actually have an integrated horizon lock, so no matter how you twist and turn this device, the horizon will stay leveled, and you can also fine-tune this. Yeah, now we can just, you know, scrape out stuff. Oh my goodness. In real life, these specs are actually tiny, but on the screen it's actually looking ginormous. The safe silicone tip that you can see right now feels very soft, and it's also very safe and gentle, so you can use this for scraping your skin without any risk of irritation or damage to it. And the reason why it's lit up that well is that we have actually 6 LEDs in here. And in my opinion, the best feature of this device are the tweezers, because the targeting that you can achieve with this is actually insane. Flipping the video makes sense for better control. So for example, when I want this little guy right there, and again, it's so tiny in real life. This one, as you can see, use this one to rip out little hairs, really capable tweezers. And one more thing, check this out. Through the app, you can not only take pictures and videos, but right here we can access the album, and we also have different modes. For example, a lover mode or a child mode or elderly mode with zoom in capabilities right there. We also have the option to actually share the video feed live over the internet, and with this you can get real-time feedback from an actual doctor if you need an immediate checkup, and this also opens up endless possibilities for remote checkups and stuff like that. It's very intuitive and easy to use. The setup literally takes seconds. Both of them work great. So who should grab those ear otoscopes this Black Friday? Well, if you want clear visuals while you clean, if you want comfort first, if you want to navigate your ear canal precisely without the risk of damaging your skin, and if you want this at home or during travel for the whole family, no matter where, no matter when, with the additional option of even sharing the camera feed online, well, these devices check all the boxes, and the real charm is the confidence, just seeing what you're doing in real time. And with all the included different tips and tweezers, you can finish off the job neatly. No risk, no skin irritation. And right now the current sale price, as well as Bebird's history of very, very aggressive Black Friday discounts, makes these devices an absolute no-brainer. Both of them are a mega value entry into camera otoscopes, and it's a strong buy whether it's for yourself or as a practical tech gift. Literally everyone will find utility in it, and all in all, it's of course a definitely drippy, so check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. Don't miss out, very limited quantities, be quick. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing Tech Magnet videos. And that's it for this one, and show you then I will see you soon.